Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Ikea looking and browsing, guys. I have a cart full of stuff. So they have some Christmas items in here. So let's take a look and see what they have. So they have this pretty tree right here. This little Christmas tree that you can decorate, put lights on. They have this nice table runner right here for $4.99. I love the colors on it. These little mugs right here. These are $2.99 with the cardinal birds. They also have the plates to match. Look at that. Don't see a price on those. They may be $2.99 as well. They have these LED decorative lights right here, really pretty. You can add your own light if you want. I think there's a light on the inside, but you can add your own bulb to make it, colorful, red or green. They have this this potted plant right here, $8, and it looks like they have some candy here. I'm not sure what the name of the candy. It says mix of toffees, natural flavors, mulled wine, raspberry and mint, gingerbread. Have those. Some more of the plants here for $7. What is this right here? This is a gingerbread cookie set right here for $2.99. This is going to be a short video, guys. They only have a few things out, but we're going to take a look anyway. They have some napkins here in red. You get 50. Here's some more with the stars. These are $1.99. You get 30 of those. Let's go over on this side over here. So what are these? These are children's chef hats right here. Those are cute for $3.49. They have a 5 cookie cutter set right here for $3.99. Here is some pot holders for $3.49. And the pot holder, you get a set of 2 for $3.49, and the oven mitt is $3.49 as well. Dish towels, 2-pack, $3.99. They have the ones in stars, $1.29. What is this right here? I'm not sure what this is. Let's see, a dishcloth, 3-pack, $1.29. You get 3 of those. Here's some paper napkins with the different designs. So this is where all the napkins are. They have some pretty aprons right here. Let's see. Don't see a price on those. But they have a lot of nice little cute items out, guys. What is this right here? Here's a dish towel right here. $3.99. And let's go on this side over here. So they have a lot of ornaments down here. Different ornaments, gold, red. This is an assortment pack right here. They also have the bigger ones there as well. They have some nice little hanging decoration, little ornaments that's shaped as pine cones. Here's some little LED. Actually, look at that, guys. It looks like that in the front. You really can't tell what they are until you turn it around. But they're like paper ornaments. And these are $5.99. Let's see, I'm going to put this back over here. They have these ones right here. You can color these or paint these or do whatever you want to do with those. And this is what they look like up here at the top. Those are really nice. They also have these miniature ornaments right here. You get 25. $9.99 for those. Here is some pearl beads right here that you can put on your tree for $1.99. All right, so on this side over here, more miniature lights. And look at the little decoration tree right here. You can put ornaments on that for $9.99. More ornaments. And look how small these ornaments are right here. These are for the mini trees. These are $7.99. They have some of these ornaments right here. These are $14.99. You get 20 in a pack. And look how pretty the ornaments are right here. These are really pretty. Really nice. They have these ones right here. have these ornaments right here shaped as mushrooms. These are $12.99. You get a set of 3 of those. On this side over here, they have the blue tree with the ornaments. Very nice. And all of these ornaments right here are silver. They have some clear ones right here, which are really pretty. $8.99 for a 3-pack. And here are the small miniature ornaments right here, white and blue and dark blue. $9.99 for those. This is a napkin holder right here, the little heart-shaped napkin holder. A lot of red and green table runners. These are placemats right here for $2. I'm not sure. Yeah, you only get one. Some trays right here in green. This is $4.99, and this one right here is $3.99. I also sell those in black as well. Some nice jars with lid. This one is $8.99. $12.99 for that one. And they have some bigger ones right here as well. Those are the same ones. A lot of paper napkins, paper plates, things of that nature. So on this side over here, guys, look how cute these ornaments are right here. Aren't those cute? And you get 3 of those for $12.99. Really cute. And let's see here. They have some hanging ornaments right here. They have these. And this is what they look like. $4.99 for those. They have an assortment of gold and silver ornaments. These ones are really pretty. And it has a little string, guys, right here on the side where you can tie those and hang them on the tree. All right, so they have some artificial trees as well. This is what they look like, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's $20. It looks like the little Peanuts tree, Charlie Brown tree, but that's what it looks like. It's only $20. And they have that big one right there with the pine cones. You just add your own lights. Very pretty. All right, so a lot of pretty decorative candles right here. They have the red and white ones here. And look how pretty this one is right here. The one with the stars, $2.99 for that one. And they have a lot of them. And I'm gonna come around on this side over here. They have these ones right here for $3.99. Aren't those cute? Really pretty. And they have a set. You can buy like a set of them. You can get 4 for $3.99. All right, so they have bows, gift bows. You get a set of 12 of these, pretty colors. $4.99 for those. Here is a sticker, 50-pack for $129. This is what the stickers look like. And this is how they come in the little box. Here's some more, what are these right here? This is a roll of tape. And this is what the roll of tape looks like. And they have them in different ones. They have gift paper, Christmas paper. This candlelight right here for $14.99. These pretty glass jars right here, $9.99. And this is what all of the different gift wrap looks like, if you can see that up at the top of there. Different gift wrap. Let's see, they also have gift boxes here as well, guys. The green ones, this is what they look like. $4.99 for those. What are these right here? These are storage bags. So this is what it looks like. A real big storage bag. You can put anything in there for $3.49. More paper. This is what their gift wrap looks like in green. Very pretty. And they also have some little items like this for decoration. This is what they look like. pretty. All right, so right here they have these little galvanized houses right here. You can see those. And you actually can paint these yourselves, guys. You can paint those. And look at the front of it. It has a little heart on the door. $5.99 for those. They have a lot of candles. I'm gonna walk around over here. A lot of gift wrap, Christmas wrapping. Decoration. These little pretty vase right here. All of these items. And here's this, what is this? This is this tree that I was telling you guys about that I showed you with the ornaments. That is what it looks like. It is going for $14.99. I'm gonna turn around. They have some pretty ornaments right here. The trees, the hearts, and all of these are $1.99. They have the artificial wreaths for $7.99. This is what it looks like. Here's some more of those trees that I showed you, but this is a wooden one right here, if you can see that. That's what it looks like. A lot of the different garlands, the tree garlands and the heart garlands there. All right, so they have these little pretty cute lanterns right here, the LED lanterns. These are $4.99. Those are really pretty, I like those. And you can put these outside your door, indoor, outdoor, whatever you want to do with those. They have these little tea light candle holders right here. Those are really pretty. You can just put the little LED light on the inside. And little baskets. They have the little baskets with potpourri with the little Christmas tree on the inside. Very nice. Also this one, these are going for $3.99. But they have a lot of Christmas items, guys. You see the artificial trees here. They have those. All the artificial trees. If you're not looking for a big tree this year, they have those. And it looks like they start at $30 and go under. All right, and this is what I want you guys to see right here. They have the gnomes. So the bigger ones are $19.99. These ones right here are $7.99 with the little girl's hair. We have this one right here. This one right here is shaped as a heart. Look at that. And I think the hands open up. Yep, the hands open up to a heart shape. Very cute. Yeah, the smaller ones are $7.99. And those little heart-shaped ones are $3.49. They have poinsettias right here. They have the red canisters with the little heart on the front. The plants are artificial plants. More of the containers. This is what the containers look like, and the little white vases. All right, guys, so they also have these decoration goats here, which are $19.99. Those are really cute. They have a lot of these as well. But this is pretty much it, guys. So they have a nice selection of Christmas items. So if you're wanting to come to Ikea to get your Christmas items, here's some more of the gnomes. Yeah, just stop by. But like I said, this was going to be a short video, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video.